Kenyanum Ghana for Yachiamuna, Yasan the Dew, Yadamias say, Wamaya Hodin, Nating Quemna, Babacana Semno. Moi, we hear a video, no. First part, no. Yes, my can say, but say, quotations now, Abraham Musi equal to Nina, say, Bible near contradiction. If I say the church, actually, a man for say, Bible no contradiction behind me. I just won't tell you. Now, yesterday, Emma explaining a binum passage na Yabetuaso. It is a part two, no Yabetuaso na church. Sembeya, once no show be now or to me, quotation in Mawa, also no waiting me a day. A defending the crown. Senator Peter Carrier, Peter say, Yanti on concron seal. That is your brabo, no, and your concron. And a two, no, or she say, you're ready so. Say, you beat me, answer, will be with me a beside a fat your salvation with fear and tremble. Tino Christo Nibia de Jamia Semono, Jamia Semono, I was saying with me. Although you need the same degree, say, level of understanding, I'll say the same. Senior and senior the same thing. Obini will be seen, we soon, bet. Crying, dear. I'm say, I will say, you don't want to me. Even or some Kakra with me, run more Janus, dear, or so Bomodia, no. Yesterday, and ye cry. Engineer Bomodia, say, church. Quotation in Nasa quotation, if you all say. Ya kama wasema nase upese ya kama wasema utimicho eba sisi ya communication no enti se kanino a ubechore upese communicate obi a uchore teko na ebi kwa 3 weeks 1 month kwa sana ni saka sana no reply and there are many ways thanks to technology no there are many ways with me within second cry ni obi akasa ebi kwa free. You know, so when you are brace up so heavier, now you do Tiasia, I will say, Shia, na you send me Antichrist, maybe women are waiting me so I then a drown in name, no castle dead, you say a Bible noka. Now, Krani dear, and dear Nekra, and Tia Danyasina, I start explaining passages. Now, yeah, explaining the na ni aka no na ye be koso em say mo mutie sa video na oni sapon ye na o mama quotations no say a contrary New Testament no o see or the Bible na kasa be prove say Bible no yenya mi asem entino okutu sa passage we nyina na yeso no be say Bible no enye contradiction anything ya base ye church no. And they say, who not quan so bit ya? Gomodian say, written beyond now the Bible no at to jay. Now, wife say, near a canon, and no Bible no cana. Won't tear say, with Mitch Roba. Who questions so with Mitch Roba be a question be a so busy. Okay. And you know, I'm say, last time no cat, and send be or say, I'll say, Christ be who the rubber G and qua. I'll say, I'm say minimum officer Christ be we Beijing kwano and automatic. They say we no they say automatic no bia boni watching. Then is a condition why I will say who follow answer. No nyame boni beche na any automatic. Okay. It is you know yeah course. Okotu 1 Corinthians chapter 7 verse 10 no. 10 and na make can say na Paul or correct or chokoma Corinthians for no say problem be na wo no we do our area no it just say or Trump say verse 10, or see, to the marriage and the widows, I say that it is good for them to remain single, as I am. But if they cannot exercise self-control, they should marry, for it is better to marry than to be aflame with passion. Or woman marry any widows in the Paul say, and can yes, uncle, or translate. So Muntinia, better say, oh, we me pay, we all say, no more worry. To be do verse 10, or say, to the married, woman, worry for no. No more, or can't say I worry for no. And not do it to us, or said, I give this charge, not I, but the Lord. Oh, or see, such charge we all can, and you know the account, Nemunu, a radina, Ekan. In the Radica say, or see, but I, the Lord, the wife should not separate from her husband. But if she does, she should remain unmarried, or else be reconciled to her husband. And the husband should not divorce his wife. So that's when we look at Matthew chapter 19, verse 1 to 6, or Luke 16, 18, or as if we say used to say, you know, we can divorce our wife at every cost. And I used to say, boom, Kayan at the beginning of Mamo or your mobile or Bema. And occasionally say, for this course, you know, boom, no me one, one husband and wife, one flesh. Then the Miaka boom, no dear, Mobia and ATT. And you know, Paul say, sir, we say now, all can. That phrase, you know, I give this charge, not I, but the Lord, you know, or just say, Yami or na Yesu what we are saying, okay, we differ our new, and Nona, oh, I refer into Matthew chapter 19, verse 16, verse 1 to 2 now, Luke 16, so 18 down now, and you know, we do verse 25, you know, all children say. If I woman worry and a virgin for the year, yes, you know, Tom no one can be found. Until me and a bedding, the become myself. It do not say, I have no command. So to the virgin, I have no command from the Lord, but I give my judgment as one who is by the Lord's mercy is trustworthy. And the Paul just said, when you want or yes one carry one, but say, when you coupon, I'm mammy, I trust me. Now the wisdom, no, I'm mammy, no. Okay, verse chapter 2 no see on kunkun ma omo extra ni omo tro etin Paul ni o che say enye se bia o ka say ni ame ka no eye ma jimu na mika da bi o che say efa wo mo ware ye ni de Yesu wan ka hwe amfa etin me na me ma me judgment the whole judgment you know eye say obi o ma inspiration. Ada say inspiration no a bit of say correction a bit of say condemnation judge who to me judge will be it can be in the form of say advice no it can be in form say who condemn no but we know Paul can say we say no commandment am dey mamo no onyame Yesu na dey mame but me na make us see but Yesu already dey wanka and this phrase no first one, verse 10, okay, say, I give this charge, not I, but the Lord, you know. And the same thing, Paul said, when soon dear, when you mean, yes, one country and found, na me and Amika. It's in all mono, and yes, say, Paul say, we on Yamina can, na with you on Yamia and Kenti, Miama Jane Amika. There be already verse 2, verse 11 to 11. What can order that? Or see, Obie, you are. Onimni obi edwene wo no onimni amedwene me nso no minimni a odwene age na ewo wo mu no na e ampa so a ebi se na ewo mu no se miminim ni a odwene a e dey say ka wo ka boni de ka bi anka bi zakra bi a bebe 5% because so go ni go you pack no boni na kofi minimum unya yeso ina say kofi minimum but o say obi ani at this one na ewo mu ni entinu onkonkun na onyame amaye no enye wiase mu de no no onyame de amaye onkonkun eno na sonkonkun no ena ode amaye ne ya kyerɛ ho ma we no amamu no entinu so ba verse 25 na ka say Paul say o ka no anadwe a then you are contradicting Paul chapter 2 no. And in the whole no, there is no contradiction there. I just gear who per se o man ye contradiction. Okay. And in the next passage, go to Hebrews 9 and 22. And go to Exodus 30:16, Leviticus 5:11, and Numbers 31:50. All no church say Exodus 30:16 church say Israel for no say omo edumire omo ye census omo kanto omo ho na omo wi omo ma half shekel. You know, some sika no shekel no emfa ma abore for manyame. And I can Leviticus 5:11 so or so no aye efa amo ahudi no se bia obewo nsane ade no cleanliness no and no chese se uni uyobi a uni lama odin a witimi aya o so timi fa the flower any frankincense also now the call and 30 number 31:15 so chese omo kokun ye na omo di nkumunu no omo cheche nyema ma omo ibi ni good ni adenti no omo ko no nkoma liberty for ni bi enti no ono chese Paul say in Hebrew 9:22 chese bi bia ombe ye wo bi asori dan no nyina bi bia no omo ajimoja ne tete ho enti ono chese hase no enu chese esa but so ufa Bible no ye na se ukan a sa Hebrew 9:22 no Paul anka say bi bia no asimo can say almost so almost everything is purified by blood. And you know Paul no or you right so who share niama omu ye no temple honum na sacrifice nya de na ufima almost be 70 to 80% all is blood animal blood we say for we blood. And you know Paul no you right in your can one can say everything. Okay, honor is considered almost. One say no, you quotations no left and right. And you know, amount for your time pine can ye. Then one is all no dear. So why not say contradiction or debate no or count as one so we're too hard. Only as it was. But who but trusting now calling you more. Boom say and pa say na Paul can. Okay. You call another passage. Or go to Hebrews 11:11. And go to Genesis 18. And go to Genesis 17. Say Sarah, Esri, Abraham, Esri. Now go Hebrews 11:11. Now, I say these are the men of faith. We don't mean a genius media or more trains or make all heaven. Or see, Sarah near Abraham. They make almost 3 into 9 years. There's no money. But Bible not say omujidi. Entino one na ye begine di ono ana say Bible chese omugidi Sarah seriously in chese wanye ni emu no ohwe the natural way ye nya akoda ye de wo akoda na 90 and 100 no say Abraham kwa no betimi wode akra na so no so because ohwe ade na true so obi odi 100 no obi odi 90 na so obi nyaba you know, on no natural way near the year we say no. Na was but any chese na already on Hindi. And also Coco too. It's in a contradiction be no call Hebrews 11:27 say Moses so as they would Genesis 1 year. But okay. Sa Genesis Exodus 1 na utum say Moses no yense bia osuro say nyamia 17 no odwane ana say nemu ni osuro ni say na Egyptian in whom say wakum another Egyptian no so I boni e was so na nyinti odwane ye no yense bia osuro say Pharaoh the boafu dem no threat na o de ka ho because no hwe ne kun and dey normal obia with make say me slow but say owu ba dey say also odwane o Yesu kra no emre enu ne mre no ohun say we for no ba enemies for no ba Pharisee for no ba no atwe no we no ko enti no eno de odwane ye because na Pharaoh be say okuno yin se bia na osuro nabi enti no one to me found interpretation ba make say oh no one year ni but Bible no say Hebrews na no how your friend no men of faith omunyina omukan Moses kan Sarah kan Abraham kan Bible says they are waiting, they are looking for a city that is not built by hand in every places. Into the HD. Sana Bible look. And contradiction be in here. I don't call John chapter 7 verse 39 no say Mra Yesuka say whosoever believe in me, out of his heart will flow rivers of water. According to the scripture, or just scripture bear. But okay, Isaiah 44 verse 1 to 3. Okay, Joel 2:28. So, that passage now okotu Jesus kotu and so. And of course, Luke chapter 24 verse 46. Just say, Jesus catches you for the say. Adi ama catching mu nyina ya chiro law no ne Psalm and a prophet. It is been written. It just say even ya chiro say Jesus no be. Okay, Deuteronomy chapter 18:18 Moses ka efa Yesu. Okay, Psalm 118 David ekafa David no. Na okay ne Isaiah nso a 53 nso na okafa Yesu no. Na okay na Yesu kwa mpo ka o efa Jonah. Say senior Jonah 83 days. The belly of the fish sa no ni baba nso be there. Obodi 3 days ibeku. No sorry. And the prophecies Jesus Christ, Luke chapter 46 in Old Testament. And there's no contradiction there. And in fact, most of the quotation of quoting actually I'm saying on Tias here. And also a contradiction. Contradiction be any. And go to Matthew 5 now. Jesus Christ said, it is said that thou shalt not murder. It is said that shall not this. And now Bian said Jesus or Ten Commandments. No, one said already they say Jesus etifa ho a they say enye no kre. And obedu o 27:38 and oba 43. And now Jesus can say you have heard that you love yourself and hate your enemy. No, or see she ho asem we say in New Old Testament ni. Yes, asem no ni but Jesus no oko to him no oko to Jew for no traditions. Jew for no tradition no their batter nyame asem no. Okay, Matthew 23 o ni omo kaya ka chom say you hypocrite. Nyame asem no when you say and I will come Matthew chapter 15 so sa omo say o didi na on wrong side e boni you to say oboa o didi na so wrong side enye boni na mo ni fi o heart mu ba no and e boni so and also Matthew 15 the same thing omo say Bible used to say Bible say man say honor your father and your mother, but more they must say honor your father and mother no, because honor your father and mother they say I will say who take care so but omo dey no my no tradition say sa word no honor your father and mother no sa sika na odi be show no odi be ma temple na the same. And I used to say, you see, because of your tradition, who disobey the word of God. And you know, na Yesu, straighten, sir, we know my to so because the Old Testament just said, love yourself, love your enemy, but only just say, love yourself and hate your enemy. Or my and you know, Yesu ni perfect and all child, I had the air no amount. Also say, well, who Old Testament is a contradiction. Say, and yet, Antichrist, I will be all now a dream one woman, and not say, it is as my use to carry, and if I know. I will Israel for no tradition in Talmud, no, I won't. Baby tradition. And you know, contradiction behind him. And I'll call Matthew 3:13. On minimum no kuna obo Yesu sinu e ba no so no we ni me doba ba no minimum no person chiro ho but oko John 3:13 no I will just say Jesus obi anko nyame ho na onu kwa ntino okutu Elijah o say Elijah ko soro Enoch ko soro ebiti bibiri aka ho Abraham so nyina wu ntine se o se o nyina wo so ntine se Yesu boa na say Jesus obi anko ho ya na but so kan sa o ho no wi a yesu sɛ obia nkɔ agya no hɔ yɛ agye ne ba no nko a na alagye ewu Enoch ewu Abraham ewu Noah ewu Jacob ni nyina ewu ti no mo wɔ he and Paul also can say 2 Corinthians chapter 12 or say I was caught up in third heaven. Some or say I was caught up in third heaven. The third heaven anyway. Okay. And I okay the story of a rich man in Nazareth no so a. Okay on na Luke chapter 16 verse 19 na hono che say omyinu wuye no omko Hades. So omko Hades. Sa word Hades no a Greek word. What they call Hebrew ma a Sheol. So, sa ni mini ni ye the aboard bibia muwa mo spirit no echo Hades. But o ka sa story na so utimi hu say rich man no oni Nazareth no man call the same place. Nazareth echo Abraham in chain. And Tataros and rich man no call other side. So, into Hades no a place who are okohono. But the hono ya chemu yenu. Say a idea what qualify we are here who are now in the bosom of Abraham. That is a phrase say you are in a comfort place. I say oko other side now a place of suffering and agree for a friend of Tataros. Okay, Jude chapter 1 verse 6 and okay 2 Peter 2:4 now or say angels now omu ye born in Yakobon are reservoir in chain waiting to be what judge ewo hefa ewo Tataros and you know so be war and now e dey na o call Hades you know say I dey wa qualifier but there's a other right paradise I dey one qualifier now hono ne e for the waiting try bon now okay chapter 2 now Yesu wuye no uka chapter 2 22 bana 27 na 31 so na Peter said mu Jew for mu crucify Yesu but onyame de amena ayede the soul no and rest of Hades so with Yesu so wuye no the spirit no echo Hades and you know Hades no so no you say Yesu no wanko obi Tataros suffer dem no oko ifa paradise. And it no catch there akwana or when you cross and says that today you will be with me we were in paradise. And yes we are no paradise. One call ni papa direct. I go to all these passages no. And it will be we now Elijah omunyina paradise till the final judgment. And yes you can say no one ascended no or so say ni bibia ni papa won pa ni de obi anu akọ just me Yesu. Ona me wo na ho na me fi oko na ho na me sanko e the Bible no say Bible no say person unya topic usua topic bia e wo say unya the whole passages no and san na why then we conclude ultimate for one passage be o no conclude and no we contradict other passages so okay sa passage we nyina ultimate say obi wa okọ Hades na Hades no ya chemu mienu nti so paradise ya there is I say what qualified that already we are waiting and Paul can say Yesu ba mama omobu no they will not go before wo mo tiase na say Yesu ba wo mo we say no nyina beso na ye tiase ye wuye no so ye be de ye nyina na ye change ye de ya committee Yesu na sania oti no saa ye ne betra etin so obi wo sisi a onko Onyankopon on direct ana Paul so chere say o see o third heaven we in third heaven e ka say Jew for no ka third heaven na I know baby anoma enam no on no heaven ena moon is down on heaven ena Nyankopon opomu na kasan bi no and so mo friend no third heaven etin Paul can say he was caught up in the third heaven. Whether it was in dream or vision or only. Well, and Onyankopon so no empesa obe boast no dey yare bopo. So was it because God doesn't want me to boast about it? And dey yare man. Say me obe Jonas. And you say third heaven no eye Onyankopon. Nti who say here unko direct. enti Yesu no oye right say o ka say obi ankoho ye na ono kro wu ye no wankoho okọ paradise na enti no sorrow ye na o ka we be so no Mary Magdalene be so no o say den me so mi mu na mi nyanko mi papa ho ye I have not yet ascend to my father. And you know, all contradiction be any. Ya Yesu kan no kure. Obi ni wa wako sane papa ofi ono. Ni papa no no. Aji Yesu ono a na ekọ akofi ho. O no fi, o ho a no so le waba. Ana and you know contradiction be any ho. Ana okotu Eva. Matthew 24 no honum no Matthew, in fact the book of Matthew no book bi a bebre entiase o mu se tokwa kon se Jesus Christ se tokwa beba we se beba wo beba se ni se beba but o ka sa Matthew 24 no o ka verse 1 na the 36 na o bo mu se na asema o ka ni nyina no e fa destruction of Jerusalem na e fa ni second coming because o fi temple no buy no and it's your for no e kire no on fi se bia Jesus no so tourist so dey and o mo the beauty of the temple no and Jesus can say one stone will not be left upon another so a proverbial expression say sa we temple amu no nyina abeko be bubu na ku enti no mo command to live no na o mo trust no bisa Jesus say enti no dabe and a sign ben na Yesu kakachi nyina se busy ano ka nyom 36 no sa generation no a o entwam asana sa de nbisi sa destruction vision nbisi wan ka say sa generation no entwam asana no a fi so aba daddy o kan here o say I say this generation will not pass away until all be fulfilled. This generation no o say entwam I just said ni wakachi nyina before I fulfill. Ya paswa 66 AD. Jew for no. Omu say omu odi an say omu hia king, physical king obeba na obeko ama wo. E decide na wo trip. Di dada. Maka wan sem Tedas any Judas nyina omu try. Omu nya ikuku omu. Enti no 86 no na Jew for no omu form rebel. So on fusi bi omitimi and we need Roman for no and a Roman for no Nero or conquer serving partner and we no and a Vespapia also buy also no or here we say na we na the bad Titus also buy the Titus no any ni command the second command of Julius and Machiko Jerusalem Satan na Jew for nyina surround owo no mo ho a mo twen the feast of Passover no so mo fi other sit we nyina ba na o kan historical defeat na 1.1 Jews na da everywhere omo kwa no omo nye omo ku de omo ku Roman for no ku soldier for no omo ku in fact, until Sasam na Yesu kana na Jerusalem no ka. But o kan from 37 no bana bon se no o kan say that everybody dey obi ani. The coming of the Lord no o se oni ono ko oni agese na eja. Until o kan no wakan yie. Enye sa o be misi ni nyina. Until no sa phrase na o kan say until that generation will not pass away until all come no or refer to generation sa o generation no so say entwem na sa de na o kan ebebem ntino sai o ma asuafo ni nyina no odi verse 20 29 to 31 no o see the darkness of the sun, the falling star and so on nyina no imaginary o use apocalyptic word just say figurative words I just say that is the falling of Jerusalem na kupon baby na okaya emra Yesu omu chese omu kunu no Parit ya say and obey receive Barabbas almost there be no as no kind almost let his blood be upon us and our children. And then they buy 1.1 million Jews in a year. And you know, so on Casse 36 no on Casse, Jesus say generation no entrum na ma ba. Yes, I know can. No more just that generation no entrum and sound. Namakache munina no ebebem. And to catch them says, Musa san when you na. San wakache munina o kan. Anytime into kan san when you na. Musa san when you na be umpe. They say the Roman for standing in the temple. You see, Munse Namu is for me, for my member, root up now, man, but that everybody there, that will be Uncle Babia. The last day, will be Uncle Bia. And you can't hear, I wouldn't say, to cover this one, 36 now, or can our destruction of Jerusalem. And I can 37 now, Kusi now, or can our second coming. Sir, anything. And you know, Bible no. Onyanu contradiction bi ani adisi bia wonti ase etino say wo passage bia wo pese o di ba utimi estroye na ye kan wasem eti next time no ye passage no ye we ni be ye say Mary no ye virgin ana se no ye virgin because okita book bia living Bible no just say Alma Hebrew word Alma. And just a virgin. Next topic, whether Mary was a virgin prior to Jesus' birth, no, or a virgin, I say, or a virgin. You say after the birth of Jesus, one virgin, because the Bible just know brothers, but we can say prior to the birth of Jesus, now Mary, no a virgin, and I say no a virgin. And stay tuned. You don't know me. I want to say, in your boy, homody, it's me in Sonia, Miss Semina, your more brapa. Send me anytime beyond a baby from Pono, you never be. Because a two things, and I say, who you yen, now call everything, and I say, who you yen is now uncle, and said the best thing is you yen, the moon, call heaven. Since we you yen every year, one call, she can so Uzuena. Entino ye mo homodi na ni aka no unemu die de onyame ono anim sene a obema ye ni bidi na bi ebeda bida na se ye di asida eman na bichia mu nyina nso entino nyame ya aduma next time no obeti en kan bi Yesu di amen.